Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a simple and quick video tutorial on how to download videos from our Facebook app directly to our Android device or to our phone's gallery. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we have to open our Facebook app. Okay, like this. And then look for your favorite videos that you want to save or download. Okay, so for example, okay, this video of a cute dog running outside. Okay, so when you play this video, you cannot find any button for save or download. So all we have to do is to find the option menu on the upper right of the video. These three little dots here. Okay, so press that menu and look for copy link, then click. Okay, so we have to exit and then we go to our browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So paste the link that you had copied on the search menu right here. Click OK. Okay, so the old Facebook will appear and then you can see the video that you want to save. But still, you don't find any button for save or download. So we have to edit the link that you had copied right here. So edit the link. We need to add the word basic right after the M. So write basic and then click OK. Okay, so the old version of Facebook is seen on the screen. So play the video that you want to save and then you can see the option menu on the below right side of the video. Just click it and now you can see a download button. So you have to click it, click download, and you see downloading file down here. Okay. So to see if the video is downloaded on our Android device, we have to exit again. And then let's go to our device gallery. Okay, so let's open. Look for download. This one. And tada! The video that you want to download is here on your Android device. So you can play it even without internet connection. Okay? So you see how easy it is? So now, you know how to download it even without installing any app on your device. Just to download your own video or your favorite videos on your Android device. Just follow the simple steps and you can do it on your own. Okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Momsy Jean, and gives me a thumbs up if you like this video, and click also the notif bell for more videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!